He's getting the accent in.
She just called us a Mexican.
Sure?
Sorry?
Sure?
Alright, 1 second.
Different guy.
Different guy.
I'm still doing it.
Megan, the picking is my number.
Burns, you're doing it.
Yo, should I still do an accent?
You say Burns, you're doing it. You don't want to laugh. Dude, you're still going. Is this guy's cock on my head?
You guys want to play a drinking game?
Oh, I think he got it on my head. You guys want to play a drinking game? Can you stop? Shut the fuck.
Yeah.
Yo, watch the wine.
Watch the one. I'm gonna be an Italian guy. Yeah, how you doing? Domino's over in Mastic?
Order for Finistic?
Excuse me?
I'm sorry, what did you say? I didn't hear you.
Is this Domino's over in Mastic?
Yes.
How you doing? You guys are still open, huh?
Yes.
You guys delivering?
It depends. We're only going to Mastic.
I live in Mastic Beach over there, right on the border of Mastic.
What block is that?
Over there, 72 Market Street.
Alright, 1 second. Let me check if we have a driver available.
It's about 3 minutes away. I tip well.
I'm going to talk to her. She just pulled up. I'm going to see if she's doing any more.
Okay.
The drivers are having a hard time out there.
Yeah, it's no problem.
Alright, 1 second.
Domino's.com to view our entire menu.
Yo, that would be awesome.
What do we want, just in case?
Right? Like, who's the fucking new guy? The Arab fucking guy. Fuck
Yeah.
that guy, bro.
555, bro.
I'm trying to be nice until he gives me an attitude. Hey, you motherfucker!
No, I don't
At first you were going to do that, then, huh? It's a good thing we didn't. Yeah. 72 Market Street.
What one?
That one.
There you go.
I'll probably change it up.
You sound like a 40-year-old fucking, like, Italian
Yo, be
fucking...
like German.
I got
Hello.
Yo, don't change the accent. Dude, don't...
Sorry, driver's stuck in the parking lot, so we're all out of drivers tonight.
in the park. Where's the parking lot?
Right stuck in Mastic, like at our Domino's.
You got a car?
Well, we have one, but she can't get out.
You don't got a personal car? You come deliver my pizza. I tip real well.
Yeah, I'm sorry, she can't move, or else I would send it out.
She, huh? That's the problem. You got a female delivery driver. The females can't drive.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah.
all the guys went home, so she's the last trooper.
So if I order a pizza, I come there, pick it up. You give me free?
No, I'll give you 30%.
30%.
We take 30%.
And then a coupon.
Oh, coupon.
Yo, take that.
I'll take that.
Alright, so what would you like to order?
I'll take the 555.
Alright, so you want the 3-5?
Yeah.